So what I'm looking for is to find out whose gun that gun is.
Nobody snitching.
You want to lose your car, do you?
Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. He took your partner over there to talk to this man about, look what we gonna do. You need to snitch on these niggas because I know you don't want to go to jail. He's snitching. They cut it out and everything. That nigga snitched. He gave a federal statement. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Marley, aka Marley Mar, and I'm back with another banger video. You dig what I'm saying? Now, I ain't gonna cap. As y'all see by the, we getting deep today. I ain't gonna cap. We getting deep. We got Tay Capone. You know what I'm saying? We got Tay Capone, aka T600 arrest footage. Now, I can't cap. I believe this one right here is spicy, so I ain't gonna cap. I ain't even about to hold y'all up no longer, bro. I appreciate y'all turning me up, bro. Like my last video right now, I got like 100 views, bro. Like, it's crazy. Like, I appreciate everybody that liked my video. I appreciate everybody that even take the time out they did to watch my videos, man. We gonna turn up all 2023, bro. I know I stopped posting consistently, bro. I needed me a little break. I ain't gonna cap. Just a little break, bro. You know, come back on some crime stuff. You know, you got life, you know. You know how it be, but hey, man, I ain't even about to hold y'all up no longer. We about to get into this video. You know what I'm saying? Tay Capone, T600, the rest footage, man. Let's get right, man. I ain't gonna cap. All right, that's the earphone. All right.
I'm saying, I'm talking to you, sir.
Okay.
But I know these are my homies. Ain't none of us on parole or probation.
Well, I say none of us on parole or
Well, let
probation.
them answer. No disrespect, okay?
No, okay, I'm
You follow
sorry.
what I'm saying?
I don't like what a nigga asks for.
Yeah, I hear you. I was looking at him too, so.
Yeah,
How about you, sir? Parole or probation? Yeah. You're on parole? Oh,
See what I'm saying, bro? Like, you up there talking about,
See how that works?
and this nigga on parole.
Okay. All right. What are you on parole for, sir? You funniest thing in the world. Okay.
Oh, what?
All right. So
What did he say?
Felon.
I don't even know.
Right. Okay.
The big fella, yeah.
So this is how this is gonna work, guys. Okay. Is no disrespect, okay?
No disrespect.
Guns don't come out of the air and appear in cars.
Yes.
Nigga. I mean, he got a point. Them bitches don't just fly out of the car into our hands and shit, you know what I'm saying? But let's just listen, cause I don't know what he better give him.
Do you follow what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Do you follow what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Yeah, I follow what you say.
Okay, all right. So what I'm looking for is to find out whose gun that gun is.
Nobody snitching.
Did you hear what I'm saying?
I promise you, folks, somebody see that's don't snitch. I ain't gonna cap. Now, if you know that you're gonna do slight time and stuff, and you know it ain't gonna be bad if you claim this gat. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what y'all doing in the situation. When the nigga ask y'all, out of all three, you and your two partners, 3 people total, and y'all got one gun in the car, and most of y'all like, if that's your wop, you taking a charge, or like you just like going with like, that's not my gun. We don't know who gun that's for. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm just gonna, if it's slight and it's like my first time, I'm taking that charge.
So that all 3 of us don't have to go to
me.
the station, the car get impounded, and everybody go to jail.
Yeah,
Do you
everybody.
guys hear what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm not looking for somebody to point fingers.
You say
I'm
that's
looking
mine.
for somebody to say, yes, that was my firearm, and the other 2 do not need to get blamed
Yeah, I
for
ain't
it.
gonna lie, that's some cool shit.
Do you guys follow what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Sir, do you follow what I'm saying? Sir? Okay. Now,
Nah, I
I
ain't gonna cap.
understand that you're on parole, and you might not want to take the lick for a gun, okay? But if that's your gun, do not let one of these 2 gentlemen take the lick for it. Do you follow what I'm saying?
Sir, I would.
Okay, okay. So I'm going to go round robin here. Sir, is that your gun? Okay. Sir, is that your gun? Sir, is that your gun?
No, sir.
Okay. So we're going to go off the
All them
idea
boys
that
say
the
they
gun
think
just
gun on
appeared
folks.
in the car. Is that what we're going with? No, I'm not trying to be disrespectful.
Folks, all them niggas said no, sir. I ain't gonna lie, when they got to Tay Capone, I thought that nigga would be like, yes, sir, that's my gun. Shit, no, boy.
I'm trying to be
taking
realistic. You're sitting here telling me that the gun is nobody's here, and that the gun just appeared in the car.
I mean,
is that what I'm getting?
I mean, if you put it like that, it's fucked up. And you definitely true. If he put it like that, Like, of course, the gun got traveled, carried.
Okay. You're on parole, my man. Okay. You have a lot to
now.
lose, do you not?
Yeah.
Okay.
You definitely got a lot to lose.
Since the hey, it's my gun thing didn't work out, I'm gonna go with this. You have a lot to lose, right? Whose gun was it? Okay. Whose gun is it?
I don't know.
Nah, I ain't gonna
Whose
cap.
gun is it?
I don't know.
Okay.
These
gonna end
niggas
this
are like
and everybody
fucking
gonna
over
go.
these niggas, man.
What I'm saying
That
is,
boy said, I
that's
don't
my
know.
car. That's my car.
That's your car, right?
That's my vehicle.
Right.
I don't know,
So now you see how this gets more and more complicated, right?
I don't understand what you're saying. Like this.
I
vehicle,
want to
like,
know
So
whose gun it is. I have a very strong feeling in my heart. I know whose gun it is,
I don't.
and I'm just looking for that person to say, yes, it's my
What
gun.
you mean you got a very strong feeling? I ain't gonna lie, I
Everybody
got
has
a
the
very
right to
strong
remain
feeling this
silent.
team, for
Anything
sure.
you say and do can't be used against you in a court of law, right? What I'm looking for
Hell
is
no.
honesty, so all three of us don't have to go into the station,
Hell no.
and everybody's night is ruined.
Hell no.
Car goes to the impound, right? So
I mean, yeah, all three of them had
gentlemen,
ride for the
no
one gun and nobody
disrespect
shit, for
whatsoever.
sure, for sure.
Please,
certainly, yeah.
It's cold out here. Y'all zip. Y'all quit for this.
Yeah.
You said what? I'm not gonna run, sir. I'm not scared. I'm not gonna run. I'm not scared of this shit, man. I ain't got nothing to, you know.
What's he want to do? He just needed his jacket zipped up. We're okay.
Boy, like, there ain't some fucking shit with a lot of stuff in the trunk on, bro.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna cap, they all gonna go down for that gun, dude, no cap. Cause, like, you know, if nobody claim it, they gonna just take everybody.
What's you got his ID? Come on. No.
But yeah,
no,
dude on parole got a lot to
said-
lose. That's why I thought he was
He
gonna
said
say
his
something,
driver's
but you know,
license is suspended.
that nigga probably been a snitched on me while I was right there. I would've snuck the
That's
out with the
driving
handcuffs on. You tripping on, bro. Real
I
talk.
had ID in my license. That's all I had.
Right, no, I want to see it. You have it in your hands right
Yeah,
now?
it's like all back here.
Right, yeah, I just wanted to see it.
4-2, well, we landed in 4.
This is what I'm gonna do.
Look what these niggas riding in, dog. What the fuck?
Holler at me right
Who
now.
whip is that?
This is what I need. Okay. You don't want to lose your car.
Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. He took your partner over there to talk to this man about, look what we gonna do. You need to snitch on these niggas because I know you don't want to go to jail for, and you on parole. Fucking his head up. Listen, bro. Listen. Listen to how he fucking his head up.
You don't want to be responsible for a gun in your car, right?
Of course I don't.
Okay. Again, I'm not trying to be disrespectful, man. You gotta understand where I'm coming from. Okay.
Of course, like, fuck, who the fuck want
Take
to?
your gun, direct me in the right direction whose gun it is.
6-2, Robert.
You trying to get that man to snitch on us, sir. What you mean?
Sure, go ahead.
I just don't.
Oh, hell nah. He's stuttering hard as a motherfucker. Did you hear that shit? Listen.
3-0 or 8-3-0. Sure, go ahead.
I just don't. I just don't. I don't understand like this. I just don't understand.
Yeah, he shut up when he got by his partner, dude, huh? Real tough.
Okay,
You taking these niggas one by one? Is you serious?
I'm not gonna run. Why he said he thinking he
I know you're not gonna run a nose. You're not gonna get too far, right?
Sir, look, I'm not scared. I'm not gonna got nothing.
Now, I ain't gonna lie. He talking about you won't get that far. I'll burn the fuck out that cop. Bro.
Real talk.
Probably not. Hit me on the big boy. Because
Oh, I thought you had something to say.
see how you trying to break him, huh?
Oh no, I ain't say that. I just said that he thinking that I'm gonna run or something.
I don't think I'm just gonna open this up, okay?
That's my brother Ashes. Please don't. I seen some. No, I know you ain't that type, but it's.
I'm gonna make sure that it doesn't spill, okay?
It ain't
Because
just
a lot
open
of
in there like
times
that.
a lot of times people keep drugs in there.
You can take it out. It's in there. It's his ashes.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Man, I don't got time for this shit, man. I got a flight to catch a fire.
So the ashes are like somebody that's burned, right? If I'm not mistaken, I believe ashes is somebody that's
Yeah,
burned.
because y'all finna take me in the station where y'all could have just let us go. But I don't know what comes to this shit.
Yeah, he know he had to go.
This is what I want. Real talk. Is that your guy whose car it is?
What?
Is that your guy whose car it is?
You said, which one of they car? You said, is that his car?
You said that's your guy, right?
Yeah, them my homies. I know.
Right. You're close with him?
I mean, one of them.
Oh, don't do all that, bro. Because now he about to pick who's not cool with him, bro.
It's his car.
Right.
So, This is
Most likely the nigga that owned the car he not cool with because he said everybody not on probation, but the nigga was on probation.
I'm not gonna bullshit you, bro. I got a son.
432 Robert.
21.
432 Robert.
I ain't got no reason. Like, I'm finna go get signed today.
That boy said I'm finna go get signed. That boy
I
lied.
rap. I make music. I got a meeting with Def Jam today. If you look my flight up, I got a
Brought
flight
another
at 5:50.
no disrespect. We don't look up flights.
No, look, I'm just telling you the facts.
I don't got no reason, dude. That shit. I ain't got no reason to be running away. Man, I'm shining.
To get ready for pack for this flight. I ain't got nothing to do with that. I just got to
Yeah,
my
crib,
get
full
dropped
up.
off at the crib.
Okay.
I don't have
Where's your
like
crib at?
my crib right here on 76 and Emerald. And now, mind you, I know the police station right here. I wouldn't even do no hot shit like that. I seen y'all putting people over. I know you are. You see what
Jamila calling it in.
Bro, look,
Jamila
I just got
Jacob
picked up.
Black Vans outside.
Man, what a pipe at, dog. Like, where everybody was seated at, what a pipe was at. That's what I'm trying to find out. Because, bro, if it wasn't where he was at, the building's not him. If it was in the trunk, it's for, like, the driver, obviously. Like, if it was in the trunk, it's for the driver, obviously, right? Come on, man.
Yeah, it's just right next to it.
Nigga said just right next to it. Wait, what he said?
Yeah, it's just right next to it.
That's crazy, dog. I ain't gonna cap. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all doing, dog. Y'all snitching on y'all people, or y'all like saying it's not y'all gun and all y'all going taking at y'all?
See where I'm coming from?
You see? I told y'all he was gonna pick on this one nigga, dog, because he know that he not real cool with that nigga in the white. Was Tay Capone, bro. He don't like him, bro. That's why when he said the first time, I felt like somebody, I know who did it, but I'm just not trying to, you know? Yeah. You know, he's trying to get in the snitch on him. No clue at all. Wait, what he said? Because I think this nigga told a story, a whole other story. Drive on the expressway, what? Yeah, he's snitching. He's snitching. They cut it out and everything. That nigga snitched. He gave a federal fucking statement. You already know who did it now. You're going your ass to jail now, bro. He gave a federal statement. Look at the car you driving, man. He's going through it. Nigga's not about to go to jail on top of it. Neither of him, he's smoking a cigarette. Police so fucking pissed. He's smoking that bitch like that, too. And he got a gum in his mouth? That shit is so trifling. Imagine me smoking the wood and chewing gum at the same fucking time. That shit is trifling. Let me know if y'all want me to have that thing on me next time I do a reaction video, bro. I got y'all for sure. Well, not next time because I probably do a couple videos and then post them down. But like May 2nd pass, bro, we having that thing on, bro.
I zipped it up for you.
Me personally, bro. Look, man, me personally, I feel like his partner was in the wrong, but I figured out what in the panel. Boom, when they got pulled over, when dude told him, all right, I feel like, we know who gun it is, bro, because, like, it's one gun, it's three of y'all. Who gun it is, bro? One of y'all tell, is you, like, and then he came like this, he was like, I ain't saying y'all need to point no fingers, and I'm not trying to make y'all point fingers, but, he's on parole, and I knew it because he didn't really look at it like, man, fuck, he look like, man, fuck that boy, I already know him like that here anyway, like, you know what I'm saying, he just dropped me off, that's my nigga, not my partner, know you dig? So, he wasn't taking that charge. Of course he wasn't taking that charge. So, that boy, like, I ain't telling y'all point no fingers, man, to see who did it. And bro, talk like, nigga say, I'm gonna come around, boy. Ask the first dude, you did it? No. Second, no. That nigga, I thought he was gonna say, yeah. I thought Taylor was gonna say, yeah. That nigga said, no, sir. What? I bust, all right. So you just telling me the gun just magically appeared in your hand and shit, huh? But I ain't gonna cap, man. This is really funny, man. But hey, look, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. If y'all haven't already. And make sure y'all turn on them post notifications, bro. Like, every time I upload, you gonna get a fucking notification. Can you believe that? Every time your boy Marley Mal upload, you gonna get a notification to your phone, bro. Bro, I don't know. I don't get no better than that for me. I don't know about y'all, but man, look, man. Like I said, though, man, it's your boy Marley, a.k.a. Marley Mal, man. I'm out. Peace.